Hi, welcome to the demo of Appointment Utilization Dashboard. This is a powerful solution designed by Perceptive Analytics to help hospitals improve doctor and department utilization, reduce appointment cancellations, and optimize doctors' availability to improve operational efficiency. We built this dashboard for a pharmaceutical company. It is designed for the medical department heads. At the top, we have the KPI section to have a quick snapshot of appointment activity. We can immediately see the total number of appointments, how many were completed, cancelled or missed, and what the overall utilization rate looks like. Right below that, we have the weekly trend of appointment utilization. This shows us how efficiently appointments are being used over time and makes it easier to catch any sudden dips. The next section highlights how well each department and individual doctor are utilizing their available appointment slots. The next section breaks down how many appointments were successfully completed, how many got cancelled or were no-shows, and even shows whether the cancellation came from the patient's end or the doctor's end. Then we have a time slot level breakdown, which shows how effectively the available slots are being used throughout the day. And at the end, we have appointment level details. Now let's take a closer look. We observe a noticeable drop in utilization during the week of 25th July. A sudden dip like this often signals an underlying issue, like scheduling gaps, doctor unavailability, or cancellations. Clicking here filters the entire dashboard to show data for a specific week. Let's click here and select the week of 25th July to analyze it in detail. To understand the reason behind the drop, let's start by exploring department-wise utilization for this week. We notice that these two departments are the least utilized. Let's click and select these two departments to analyze further. If we look at the doctor level visual, we notice that 3 doctors have lowest utilization in this week. This leads us to the next question: why their appointments are not going through? Let's select these 3 doctors to analyze further. Now let's look at the appointment status and cancellation data. The black bar shows appointments cancelled by patients. Red bar shows appointments cancelled by the doctor's end. We can see that while most of the cancellations happened from the patient's end, but for Christopher, a large number of appointments are being cancelled by the doctor himself. This suggests possible unavailability, last-minute changes, or scheduling issues on the doctor's end. To narrow it down further, let's look at the slot level utilization for these doctors. In this chart, red markers indicate low utilization. We see that early morning slots and evening slots are consistently underutilized, which could mean these slots are either being underbooked or not matching the doctor's availability or patient preferences. Finally, we have the appointment level details. This section gives us a complete view of each appointment, who booked it, what time it was scheduled for, and if it was cancelled or missed. The doctor's contact information is available right here, so teams can follow up directly regarding repeated cancellations or no-shows. With this dashboard, teams can improve doctor and department utilization, track and increase appointment success rates, minimize no-shows through smart planning, boost revenue, and improve cash flow, deliver more reliable patient experience. We are your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.